In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to run YouTube ads from scratch to finish. The first thing you need to do is that you need to have a Google Ads account. So you want to go to ads.google.com and make an account. You also need to have a YouTube channel where you've uploaded the videos that you want to use for your YouTube advert. And also you need where you want this advert to go to, like a landing page, a sales page, or anywhere you want them to go to. After that, you want to come to your YouTube ads account here and you want to click on new campaign. I want you to ignore everything here and come where we say create a campaign without a guidance. And YouTube allows you, or Google allows you, to do a lot of things here, but we want to do video ads, which simply means YouTube ads. So select YouTube or video ads here. So you can either select video views, efficient reach if you want to reach more people, non-skippable reach, target frequency, you want to drive conversion, ad sequence, and audio reach, and even YouTube subscription and all of that. The most recommended thing is to start with the YouTube views. So you click on continue. Here you want to give your campaign a name, and here you want to select the ad format. So on YouTube we have skippable ads. These are the ads that people cannot skip. We have in-feed ads. These are the ads that show on the feeds of YouTube videos. And we have short ads, so you can select the one that you want and the one that you do not want. So I'm going to uncheck short ads, and here we are basically going for the target CPV, which is cost per view. Here you want to select your campaign total or your daily budget. So let's say my campaign total in this case, let's say my campaign total is probably, let's say, $100. So you want to set your start date here and your end date. So I want this campaign to end in, let's say, 1 month time. So it gives me an idea of when it ends and a complete breakdown of how much this money will be spent daily. Here you want to select the networks where you want your ads to show. So we want to make sure that our ads are selected to be on YouTube, but we don't want YouTube display partners. So you uncheck this. Here you select your location, either all countries, or you can enter specific locations here, and I'm just going to keep it to my location for now. Here you can enter the video language. I'm going to leave it to English. Here you can select that no, this is not an EU ad, political ad, so you select that. Now you come to the group level or the ad group. So you want to put your group name, and this is where you select your audience, the demographics, and all of that. If you click on demographics, you can select if you want this to go to either women or just men or unknown people, and you can select the age range from here. Here you can show your ads either through keywords, topics, or placements. If you want to use keywords, you want to copy the keywords that you have about your product and your target audience interest and put it right here. If you want to use topics, you can just come to topics, and if you come to browse, you see different topics that you can actually select. Here on the placement, you can directly place your advert on people's channels or their videos. So you can enter different channels that you want your ads to show, or you can place them directly on videos. Here, this is where you now put the videos that you want to use to run your YouTube ads. Again, you need to have uploaded these videos on YouTube. So you need to create a YouTube channel, upload this video. They can be private, unlisted, or public. So after that, you can basically paste the link here, or you can come here and search for the links on YouTube. So I've selected 5 different videos that I'll use for this advert. So these videos will be used interchangeably, and this is how they would appear on different parts of the screens. All right, so this is for all formats. You can see it for in-stream, and then you can see it for in-feed. All right, so this is in-feed and this is in-stream. All right, so here you put your final URL. You can also put a display URL. Here you select a call to action button if you want, and then you can just add a long headline here and a description. So I already had this written and I just put them right here. So you can give your ad a name. So here, this is how much you want to pay per the actual view. So they give you an estimate here, which you can use, but if you wanted to increase it, you can increase it. So you can't go less than this. So you are just going to say apply. And this is the potential reach right here and how much you are going to pay. So once you are done and you're okay, you can just click on create campaign and then you preview it and you'll be ready to go. So this is how you can create YouTube ads in less than 5 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections.